Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick tutorial on how to apply glitter to your nails and nail decals. I'll have the information for the glitter and the nail decals in the goodie box down below. Check it out and enjoy the tutorial. I applied 2 coats of my desired color of choice, but I did not cure on my second coat. And the reason being is because I'm going to sprinkle this gorgeous glitter called Spooky Season by Glamorized by Char onto the desired nail. And then you just want to make sure that you're cleaning up the excess glitter before you go ahead and cure your nails for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to apply my spooky cute nail decal by Glamorized by Char, and I'm going to remove it off the backing with a tweezer. You don't want to use your hands, you want to use tweezers and apply it to the nail. And ensure that the nail decal is flat on the nail, and I like to apply my top coat on that particular nail last, just to lessen the chances of the top coat getting underneath that decal, because once it's under there, you're going to have a hard time with lifting. Once you've applied the top coat to all of the nails, cure for 60 seconds. I'm applying a second coat to my glitter nail only because I want to take away some of the roughness on that nail. And then cure for 60 seconds. Apply your cuticle oil and voila! Your nail look is complete and you're ready for Halloween. Thanks for watching, lovelies!